The verdict: the off-road optimized 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor may be purpose-built, but that doesn't mean it's a one-trick pony. Versus the competition, the Raptor's extensive retooling for off-road use goes way beyond rival's comparatively simple off-road packages. If Ford's off-road 2017 F-150 Raptor has an on-road equivalent, it would be the 2017 Ford Shelby GT350 Mustang. The Raptor has been engineered like a specialty sports car and built with very specific and purposeful parts. It's not just a shock absorber and wheel package like the bulk of the off-road models. The Raptor has a new, higher output version of Ford's EcoBoost V6, a borderline race truck suspension, strengthened frame and supercar-wide tires with more knobs than a Home Depot. The Raptor is perhaps one of the most singularly focused new trucks. Off-roaders such as the Toyota Tundra TRD Pro and Nissan Titan Pro 4X can do light-duty stuff, and the Ram 2500 Power Wagon is perhaps the Raptor's closest competitor in terms of go-anywhere capability. Compare the Raptor with its competitors here. We tested all of them in our 2017 Monster Factory Off-Road Challenge. Available in Super Cab, Extended Cab and Super Crew Cab body styles, the Raptor starts at $50,155 and $53,140, respectively, including destination charges. I tested a Raptor Super Cab totaling $64,845. Adjectives like aggressive and menacing don't appropriately convey the Raptor's presence. The 2000